Criminals strike in the vicinity of two schools within minutes. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Gunmen struck twice in the vicinity of schools in Manchester and the corporate area within minutes on Friday morning, disrupting classes and raising fresh awareness as it relates to lack of regards for the nation's education institution. Teachers, students, and administrators were left traumatized as the heartless gunman fatally shot the bus driver on the compound of the Homewood Technical High School in northeast Manchester early in the morning. As news of that incident spread, reports emerged that a male driver had been fatally shot outside the gates of the Rossies Primary School on Ricketts Avenue in East Central St. Andrew just before 9 a.m. The two shootings sparked calls for enhanced security measures to safeguard the country's educational institution by opposition spokesman on education Damien Crawford, while he addressed the Director of Education Services in Region 5, Susan Nelson-Simmet. He lamented that the impact of these incidents are having a negative effect on students, especially those who witnessed killings. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.